Okay team, we're back in the room. Now, there's my wood. I've set it up to 30 millimeters, 29, 30 millimeters. I'm hoping that will come out just about the right thickness. And also, I'm hoping this will be a good test for the stability of the actual blade. So it's the first time I've actually cut anything this wide. The GoPro is actually attached to the bandsaw, so you'll get an idea of the amount of vibration it creates. It's very quiet. You can actually hear above it. So here we go. Hopefully I'll still have all my fingers by the end of it. Here you go. The camera is lovely and still, and I'm just going to very, very gently cool. And there we go. I think you'll see that I could see from here, even though the stabilisation is hopefully on, I could see that that camera was rock steady. So that's the amount of noise, the amount of wobble, and it seems to have given a nice flat cut. Let me yeah, I mean, there's blade marks, a little scoop on it. But, you know, I mean, realistically, unless you tighten that blade up to breaking point almost, people will tell you on YouTube, yeah, do this, do that. The practicalities of it are not so easy. Anyway, so I'm going to sand this up because I want to see what it looks like once I've sanded it up. I have got another piece, which is the other half of this, and I'm going to cut that down as well. So you'll see both of them very shortly. Okay team, over and out. Thank you.